Hello everybody, to a new video, and today I'm doing a tutorial on how to tween objects so you can move them around. So here I have some text saying help, a question mark. So say this was for a thing on your map and you wanted it to move around so it's very obvious for players to see, or just to move things around. Tweening makes things happen very slowly. If you were to move it around normally, it would just end up there straight away. What tweening does is slowly move this thing around like that, using a script. So I'm going to teach you how to do it. So inside this union, or whatever part you have, insert a script. You want to get a service, so tween equals game, get service, TweenService. I'm going to put it in a while loop, so while true do, so then it will loop around every single time. And I'm going to say info equals tween info.new, so you're specifying how you want the tween to move. And the first thing you have to put is the time, how long it wants to last. So I'm going to create a variable up here, default equals 0.5. So it's going to last 0.5 seconds. After that, you have an enum, and then you have the easing style. So it could be linear, which is straight, or quad, which is like fast and then it slows down at the end, or everything else. So I'm going to put quad. Then you have your easing direction, enum.easing direction, which basically shows how it should start and end. I'm going to put in out, and then the repeat count, I don't want it to repeat, so 0, and then a true or false statement saying if it reverses or not, so false, and then number delay time 0. There you go, you've made your info, but now you have to specify the changes you actually want to do. So I'm going to say pos equals script.parent.text. Oh, that makes no sense, sorry, but position. Then what you want to say is changes equals squiggly brackets, so a table, and then you want to specify the property of it, so position we want to change equals pos plus vector3 dot new 0 1 0. So that's going to go up one stud, and then changes 2, since you have to bring it down, equals position equals pos. And then you want to create the tween by saying tween up, or whatever your variable can be, tween create. Then you want to specify what you want to create the object with, so script.parent, and then you want to specify the info, and the changes. Tween down, tween create, script.parent, info, and changes to. Then you want to do tween up, play, so you're playing it. Then you want to wait, default, for it to finish, and then tween down, play, and then wait default, so when it loops around again, it doesn't mess up. Okay, let's test this out now. Oh, I appear to have not anchored the part, so the part has to be anchored, else it will really start glitching, like you just saw. And there you go. It's moving up and down every 0.5 seconds. So there was a tutorial on how to move parts around using TweenService. If you want to move the position, you have to use Vector 3. But for now, I'm going to show you another way you could use this. So you have your info. The changes is going to be material. Actually, that makes no sense. So actually, I'm going to make this a part. Since unions, you can't change the color. Going to insert in that. Changes equals color equals color 3. Got from RGB 0 200 0. Got green color. And I just realized I forgot to wait command, so the script's going to overload. See, yes, script, timeout. So, wait 1 and tween create script.parent info and changes. Tween 1 play. Let's test it out. So it's gone green. But I'm going to add a wait command so we can actually see it happen. There you go, turned green in 0.5 seconds. So yeah, you can use this for any property of anything. Say with a sound, you can mess with the sound volume, you can mess with the size, you can mess with the position, anything. So there you go.